Chapter 1, The Structure of Science, Scientific Methods and Revolution. Introduction. All disciplines have their own structures. Discipline means different areas of study like science, art, and commerce. Structure means the organized way in which knowledge is developed, validated, and applied. Not all disciplines have their structures properly described. This may be due to different ages of disciplines. Science has a structure that we can say cuts across all disciplines known by name. This means that other disciplines as well has similar components in their structure as contained in the structure of science. For example, in science we could have the following. Most of this so-called component of science can be found in other disciplines as well. For instance, theories and laws in economics, government, and so on. An attempt will be made in this chapter to describe the structure of science. Knowing the structure of science has its values. Science students and all those interested in the subject will know the components of the discipline, and they will be able to relate to the discipline in a conscious manner so that during the learning process they'll be able to know what they're learning. The knowledge of the structure will also enable them to know how they can be scientifically literate persons through judicious combination of knowledge and applications of the components of the structure of science. This statement is talking about the significance of knowing the structure of science. Here's an illustration. Assuming you just got a new phone and you have a guide showing you different resources on the phone and how to navigate through it and make full use of what the phone can offer. So also, this chapter aims to familiarize you with the structure of science so that you can be a literate of science and also be able to exploit its full potential. Also, science teachers will understand what they're teaching their students better if they understand the structure of their subject matter. This knowledge will assist them to know how to properly organize science content for instruction. Evaluation of students' learning outcome will be enhanced through this knowledge. First, different definitions of science are presented to demonstrate an awareness of various misconceptions about science. Second, the three components of the structure of science are presented in great details, one after the other, to demonstrate what a scientifically literate person needs to possess for knowledge, skills, and attitude. Finally, the chapter concludes with science functions and limitations. Note the words knowledge, skills, and attitude. This will help you to better understand product, process, and ethics as components of science structure. Objective.